Sundar Pichai quotes that will boost new energy in your life. It is important to follow your dreams and heart. Do something that excites you. I love technology while growing up. As a leader, it is important to not just see your own success, but focus on the success of others. A person who is happy is not because everything is right in his life, he is happy because of his attitude towards everything in his life is right. Good companies do whatever it takes to make sure apps are great and don't hesitate to add features. Keep pushing your limits. You might fail a few times, but that's okay, you end up doing something worthwhile which you'll learn a great deal from. In life, don't react, always respond. We try to use deep computer science to what we make so that we have a differentiated approach to solving problems. It is always good to work with people who make you feel insecure about yourself. That way, you will constantly keep pushing your limits. We are interested in India because it is amazingly young. India will be a global player in the digital economy. The core of what Google is about is bringing information to people. We try to work on things which billions of people will use every day. AI is probably the most important thing humanity has ever worked on. Let yourself feel insecure from time, it will help you grow as an individual. Wear your failure as a badge of honor.